Hi there, this is Amok, the product marketing manager at Recruiterflow, and I quickly wanted to showcase a new capability in Recruiterflow wherein you can easily share reports and dashboards with your clients. Now, I understand recruiting is an operationally intense business. You have to mediate between both your candidates and your clients. Now, on the candidate side, it's pretty much communicating with them on how they progress through different job stages and keeping or rather building relationships with them for the long haul. But on the client side, it's more crucial because you also have to focus on building trust, transparency, so that there's recurring business coming in. So ideally, whenever you wanted to showcase something around your job processes and how it's functioning and have that visibility for clients, you do it by either exporting data, building reports on top of it, maybe an Excel sheet and share it across. Now there's too much of effort involved here. Exporting data, playing around with data, systemizing it and then sharing it. It's easily 4 or 5 steps taking too much of your time. But now in Recruitflow, you can simply do it in a single step. But how does this work? Let me show you how it works. So initially you had this dashboard feature where you could to have a quick view of to understand how your system is working right now. And now you can primarily share a particular dashboard with any of your clients. I would suggest you build custom dashboards for each and every of your client so that there's no mixing up of your data, there's no performance data involving your recruiters being shown in. But having said that, you have to just take in 5 minutes to build a report. You don't have to play around with data anymore. Whatever actions you take on the system, they will be automatically reflected on these reports. And all you have to do is ensure that this dashboard is shared with your client. Now, for this, in this particular dashboard, I have created it for a very specific client called Dunder Mifflin. That's my client, assumptuously. So now I have some reports added in. For example, I have candidates hired based on source breakdown. So I can see how many candidates are coming in from which particular source. I have the submission to hired journey to see how many people are in submission stage, interviews, offers, so on and so forth. I can showcase some other reports, as in, like, for instance, to see how many placements have been done for this particular company over the last X number of whatever you set. So these are just examples of what you can set up. I highly suggest that you can showcase your stage movement report, you can showcase your DEI metrics report, you can use the pie chart for that just to see how it's broken down. You can showcase all the placements. There will be complete visibility for your clients, and that's going to build huge trust for you. Now, answering two questions over here. One is, where do the clients see these reports or dashboard? They'll be able to see it on the client portal right on this particular dashboard function. They have a very similar dashboard ability over there. They'll be able to see all these reports in that particular section. And second thing, can these clients edit the dashboard or the reports? No, they can't. They just have view access. Whatever you're seeing over here as a creator of a particular dashboard, they'll have the same functionality. They'll be able to see the same things that you have set up for them. So yeah, this I believe is going to be one of your strongest competitive advantage, wherein you can quickly build trust by sharing your key processes and progress with your clients very transparently. Let us know what you think of this. If you have any questions, as usual, you can just get in touch with us and we'll make sure that we'll solve it for you. And yeah, let us know how you think. What do you think about this? See ya.